Good afternoon, this is Captain Armando Alejo of A Square Charters. Today I want to talk to you about a new product to the market from the Better Boat brands. So today we will be showcasing the Boat Soap Concentrate along with the amazing deck brush. Pretty cool features. First is the weight. Second are the awesome handles that are movable. And then of course you have an adjustment knob right here so you could go to and from. Having said that, also I really like the rubber grommet, so when you're up and around and in and on the boat, you're not damaging any of the shiny gel coat. Amazing feature for the boat soap. Folks, 1 capful per gallon. Pretty amazing, concentrated. We highly recommend it. If you don't jump on board now, I promise you you're gonna jump on board later. You need to give Better Boat a try.